Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Gus and Carla here. We are very excited to bring you this exclusive sneak peek into this brand new build here in the community of Sandbrock Ranch in Aubrey, Texas. This is a Highland home. We're gonna give you all the specs in a little bit. Yeah guys, do us a favor, would you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and that notification bell as well, so you can stay up to date with all of our videos that we post each and every week. We're very excited about this one. This is actually right about 98% finished. Came back on the market. This was under contract and it actually fell through due to financing. So it is available here in the community of Sandbrock Ranch. This is a corner lot, 70-foot lot. This house has all the works, tons of upgrades. And so you won't want to miss this. Walk through it, stick around.
Okay, so this home has 3,600, a little over 3,600 square feet. You are gonna have a standard 3-car garage with this. You're gonna have 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, a media room, a flex room, and a study aside from a formal dining area. Right. So this house really is huge. It all sits on 1 story. And you're gonna be able to see all the wonderful upgrades that they've added to this home as we do the walkthrough.
And if you are wondering about the price on this particular house, hey, give us a call. Our information will always be up here. Well, we would love to hear from you. So you are you won't see this house anywhere else. It's not gonna be advertised anywhere else but here as of right now, since it just came back on the market. So you are the first one to see it. Give us a call on the price. If we can get you a great deal into this house. And like Carla said, this has tons of upgrades. So you won't want to miss this. We would love to hear from you, and stick around.
guys, we hope that you enjoyed this video, that you enjoyed this walkthrough, and please leave any questions or comments below. We are always happy to answer them for you, and if you guys have any questions at all, give us a call.
All right guys, so just remember, you side here first with Gus and Carla. So if you are looking to move in here into the Dallas area, more specifically the North Dallas area, hey, reach out to us. Again, this is Sandbrock Ranch community here in Aubrey, Texas. So this is a great floor plan, guys. So if this is something that you're looking for, please reach out to us. Remember, there's pricing, give us a call because we can get you a great deal. And you're gonna find it here first. So you're not gonna find this on the MLS, you're not gonna find it on Zillow or any other platform. So make sure to reach out, and we would love to hear from you. Thanks again for sticking around. We will see you next time.